Okay, this is Nifty 50, and there was some issue with my laptop, and that was I was unable to upload videos earlier. But now that since the issues have been resolved, I'm back, and this is Nifty 50. See, I had marked Nifty 50 as a five-wave move up. This was one, two. I had marked this as three, four, and five. This was my earlier thing. See, I have an alternative count on Nifty 50. I will go by two counts. This was the earlier analysis where I have marked it as a five-wave move up, and this was the end. And then I had marked this as a leading diagonal pattern A, B, C, D, E, and this was a sorry, this is E, and this is A, B, C, and I had marked this as a expanded flat correction 3, 3, and 5, and I was expecting a decline 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I was expecting a decline in form of third wave. But the thing is, the third waves are very swift and very fast. And here, what is happening is that the move is not coming. The kind of move which I was expecting in Nifty is not coming. So I have an alternative count also in Nifty, and then I will come to the immediate price action. My alternative count is, I'll remove this. Alternative count is, this is the first wave, second, and whole is extension. That is one count. This was fourth, and we will have a fifth wave. We are in a fifth wave right now. So I'm extending the third wave here. One, two, three, four, and five. So extending the third wave. One, two, three, four, and five. So that is an alternative count. So right now suppose I'll come back to my earlier count and explain myself. What are the clues I had? So I had marked this. This is the end. A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, and C. Corrective wave. So this was a five-wave move up, and okay, so this C wave will be like this: one, two, three, four, and five. First wave, second, and one, two, three, four, and five. One, two, three, four, and five. This is the third wave. This will be fourth ABC correction and fifth wave. That's the end of fifth wave. So I was expecting that wave three. You see, this was the first wave, leading diagonal pattern. This is the second wave correction, ABC, and this would be the third wave. But this wave is taking a lot of time. This third wave is taking a lot of time. So I come to the present price action. This is a five wave decline. One, two, three, four, and five. So I will mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have extended the third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll give it a different color, black. Okay. So 1, 2. I'm just right now concentrating on the immediate price action. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the fourth wave, which is a triangle wave. So these are triangles. Triangles are present on the fourth wave, no issues. C, D, and E. Whenever you have triangles in the fourth wave can come within the price action of the first wave, no issues. So as per the immediate price action is concerned, this waves would be like this: A, B, and C. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Maybe a slight wave, small is left, and then A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So this is a triangle wave, down and up move. It is only once this wave is complete, then we will have a five wave decline in a small wave, five wave move in form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will complete the five wave decline: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry. So this is going to happen. This much expected should happen, whether it is whether in five wave move is up or not. It doesn't matter. Now let us come to my alternative count. So this is the original count which I am banking upon right now, presently. See, after this five wave move is up, we will have a small ABC correction, and then we should have the third wave, the third of the third. This is as per the original analysis. But now suppose I go to my alternative count. My alternative count is I extend the third wave, I extend the third wave, take this as a fourth wave correction, and we are right now in wave 5. This is my alternative count. Suppose we are in wave 5 also. Still 1, 2, 3. I will mark this as a fourth wave correction. How I will mark it, I will just show. Suppose we are in wave 5, and then how do I mark this? This is one wave, second, and I'm marking this as third wave. Okay. Fourth and fifth, I will just confirm. Now, the the basic confusion is regarding this wave, this one. Now, whether this wave is a five-wave move up or a three-wave move up, that is the doubt which I have, because in my earlier count, I have marked this as a full five-wave move up, because this third, then A, B, C correction, and this one is a small five-wave, fifth wave. Now, what is the confusion? The thing is that this can also be marked as a three-wave move up. A, B, and C. It can also be marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this wave is not very, I mean, thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this as an expanded flat correction. How I'm going to mark it? A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So wave B, this is wave, this is whole is wave A, this is wave B, and this would be wave C. Okay. So wave A is ABC, wave B is ABC, and then wave C would be a five wave decline, one, two, three, 4, and 5. And then we will have wave fifth of the fifth. Instead of having a ABC correction here, we should have fifth of the fifth. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now, which of these analysis is correct? How I will come to know about it? It is only if this wave, whether this is a five wave move or a corrective. Suppose this is a correction. Suppose this is A, B, and C. Then this correction would be wave 2 of wave 3. I mean, we are going to have wave 3 as per my earlier analysis. So, what will happen is this second wave cannot go beyond the start of the first wave. So, that is why I marked this red line. But if this breaches this mark, 18,000 mark, then we are sure that we were in the fifth wave. The leading diagonal pattern analysis would not be correct, and then we will have to go with the third wave extensions, and we are in the fifth wave. So this is the doubt which I am carrying, and this will only be cleared after this. Either we will have ABC corrections and then a fall, or we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. Now suppose if this is a fifth wave, then what will happen? What is the extent that Nifty can go? To what extent it can go? Wave theory says if the third wave is an extended wave, then wave 1 is generally equal to wave 5. So this is wave 1, and this is something wrong with my because this is first wave. Let me again check it. Yeah, correct. And what should my target, final target for Nifty would be? So 20,000 to 23 would be my final target for wave 5. That is, after this correction is complete and we will have this wave 5. Basically, I'm talking in probabilities right now. So the crucial part is this one, 18,120. Sorry, it's a bit mess up. But that's the way I do it. I'm just cleaning it up. So let's hope. Let's see what happens. Whether the leading diagonal one analysis is correct or the third wave extension analysis is correct. So these are two counts which I'm keeping on Nifty. But for the time being, at least this much will occur. We'll have a triangle wave and a wave 5, a small wave 5. Whether this is a first wave decline or a fourth wave correction doesn't matter. In both the cases, we are in for a 5 wave, impulsive wave. So this will happen. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is a triangle wave. A, B, C, D, and E. This much will happen, and we will have Nifty coming down to 16,788. And then we will have a correction or an impulsive wave that we will have to see. Whether this is going to be a impulse correction or an impulse wave that we will have to see. Wait and watch. For the time being, this D wave, E wave, and this much can be traded. This will be a 5 wave decline. Small wave 5, but a 5 wave decline. A clean 5 wave. So all the way, all the best. Take care. Happy trading. Enjoy the analysis part. Enjoy the mess up. But that's it, guys. Thank you. Take care.